Hey everyone, we're going to do a little stump grinding today at my house. This is a stump we're going to be stump grinding. And my buddy Steve came over. He brought his stump grinder. So I guess we can get started. Low enough, you just want to put grass over it. And that's how you grind the stump down. Got rid of it right away, didn't it? That's pretty cool. Yeah, all the dogs that you heard in the background, they my dogs don't like stuff going on in my yard too much. Alright guys, hope you guys like. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Have a good one. Thanks.